I'm going to cut these straight down the middle with my scissors. And pull these away. Pull the meat, the shell, open it up on both sides. And then I'll pull that meat. Stick my finger up under there and just pull the meat away from the shell, and then close the shell back up and put it right back on there, just like that. All right, I've got some liquid butter. I'm gonna just squirt a little liquid butter on each one. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on each one and some paprika on each one. And a little black pepper. And I'm going to put these in the broiler for 2 minutes. Look at what I'm about to cook. Yes, look at them, nice big ones. About to go in this oven.